Good day, everyone. I am Erica Kimura, and I am going to continue the topic entitled The 5S Housekeeping. So, what do we mean by housekeeping? Housekeeping is the management of duties and chores involved in the running of a household. It is sometimes used to refer to the cleaning and physical upkeep of the house. Just like in a workplace, we do have duties and responsibility to do housekeeping. Housekeeping, from the word house plus keep, it is keeping of the house. The word house is used because the basic concept of housekeeping was started from a domestic house and it was gradually adopted at a commercial level to maintain high standards of cleanliness and maintenance. Maintaining a workplace that is clean and free from unnecessary materials. Tulad ng mga gawain sa bahay, tinatanggal natin yung mga gamit na hindi na natin kailangan. So, syempre, pag naglinis ka, lahat ng kalat kailangan tatanggalin. So, same lang din siya sa workplace. Purpose of workplace housekeeping. Ano nga ba ang purpose ng housekeeping at bakit ito ginagawa? Technically, it is because poor housekeeping can be cause of incidents such as tripping over loose objects on floors, stairs, and platforms, being hit by falling objects, sleeping on greasy, wet, or dirty surfaces, striking against projecting, poorly stacked items or misplaced material, cutting, puncturing, or tearing the skin of hands or other parts of the body, and projecting nails, wire, or steel strapping. So in order to avoid these hazards or incident, a workplace must maintain order throughout a workday. So maintain, it means that we should always mind our own things in proper. Although this effort requires a great deal of management and planning, the benefits are many. So, some benefits of good housekeeping practices are effective housekeeping results in reduced handling to ease the flow of materials. Mas madali na makita yung mga bagay kapag kukonte or natanggal na yung mga material na hindi na kailangan. Fewer tripping and slipping incident in clutter-free and spill-free work areas. May iwasan yung mga aksidente sa mga workplace. Decreased fire hazards. Lower worker exposure to hazardous product. Example yung dust and beef pores. So, mostly yung mga worker na exposed dito sa mga hazardous product is yung mga nagtatrabaho sa mga factory ng goma. So, yun. Next is better control of tools and material, including inventory and supplies. More efficient equipment and cleanup and maintenance. Better hygienic condition leading to improved health. More effective use of space, reduce property damage by improving preventive maintenance, less janitorial work, improve morale, improve productivity, tools and material will be easy to find. So, syempre kapag nagawa mo tong mga good housekeeping practices, mas madali na or mas maayos na yung ating workplace and makakagalaw tayo ng mas mainam. What is 5S? 5S is a system for organizing spaces so work can be performed efficiently, effectively, and safely. This system focuses on putting everything where it belongs and keeping the workplace clean, which makes it easier for people to do their jobs without wasting time or risking injury. It is also a method of creating a clean and orderly workplace that exposes waste and makes abnormalities immediately visible. So from the word, when we say abnormalities, it is beyond the normal. It is also said that 5S is far more than a housekeeping initiative. So why is that? It is because its main purpose of 5S is to be able to identify abnormalities. For example, if the place we work in is an unorganized mess, chances are we'll really be able to spot when something isn't right. But if we have things neat, clean, and tidy, we're far more likely to identify when something isn't right. The origin of 5S is from the Japanese which derive from the word seiri, seitan, seiso, shikitsu, and shitsuke. However, but contrary to what many people assume, Japanese may not be the origin of 5S. Bakit kaya? It is because of Henry Ford's Kando program, which it stands for cleaning up, arranging, neatness, discipline, and ongoing improvement. It seems that Kando is the obvious precursor of what we call 5S today. But anyway, we focused in most lean manufacturing institution, and it is based on 5 Japanese words. Why 5S is important? The reasons why 5S is important, it is because first, its impact to safety. Cluttered and chaotic work area is often unsafe work area. So it's true that uh, in a workplace, it should be clean and tidy. Kasi we are prone to accident if we have unsafe work area. Waste. It helps us identify and eliminate waste or MODA. So, yung waste is kapag natanggal na siya, mas madali nating makita yung mga bagay or document or materials na kailangan natin. Low cost, high impact. It is selling things that is not needed. Low cost siya kasi mababawasan or matatanggalan tayo kasi pwedeng yung mga na materials or mga waste na nakuha natin is pwede nating ibenta. And then high impact siya kasi mas lalaki yung space natin sa workplace. Gets everyone involved. 5S knows no boundary. Why is that so? Because kahit na may-ari ka pa ng company, nakasuit ka, or staff ka lang, walang boundary when it comes to housekeeping. Kasi everyone can do a housekeeping. Tsaka, kung ikaw naman ay galing sa ibang department, may tendency na makahalubilo ka sa ibang department and magkakilala or getting to know each other. Lastly, adherence to standard is the key to Kaizen. So, if you can't do 5S, you can't do lean. So, ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Siyempre, kapag daw hindi mo nagawa yung 5S system, ibig sabihin, hindi ka makakapag-proceed sa lean manufacturing. So, here is the one of the step of 5S system or 5S housekeeping. Sort, series. It make work easier by eliminating obstacles, reduce chances of being disturbed with unnecessary items that cannot immediately disposed of, need fully skilled supervisor for checking on a regular basis, waste removal, make clear all working floor except using materials. So itong sort, it is basically challenges us to get rid of the things that we don't need or use. So in order to help facilitate the sort process, lean practitioner often use red tags. So what is red tag? Red tag, it is usually cardboard tags or sticker that can be attached to the item in questions. So users fill out information about items such as location, description, name of person applying the tag, and the date of application. So, yan. Next one, so here are the example of sorting. So from sobrang messy area to uncluttered area. So ito yung red tag. The next one is the set in order yung tinatawag na seaton. It arranges all necessary items so that they can be easily selected for use, prevent loss and waste of time by arranging workstation in such a way that all tooling equipment is in close proximity, make it easy to find and pick up necessary items, ensure first in first out basis, make workflow smooth and easy, place components according to their uses, most frequent used component being nearest to the workplace, and the simple floor markings. So itong set in order o yung tinatawag na straight-in, it is a purposely placed every tool in a designated home. So there is a saying that a place for everything and everything in its place. So it should be things need to be strategically and purposely placed so that the work can flow smoothly without hiccups or delay. So yung example ng set in order ay ito. Yung mga materials na naka-scattered ay inilalagay sa isang designated place para makita or ma-identify kung ano ba yung nawawala or kung ano yung kulang. So, same din dito sa kabila. So, yung mga utensils na hiwa-hiwalay. So, and then ito yung after, which is yung na-sort na siya or na-set in order. So, may personal example, yung pag-OJT ko, na senior high ako sa isang company, which is in the Design League na incorporated. So, isa siyang furniture company, which is na-assign ako sa operating department. However, napunta din ako sa HR department kasi nag-iisa lang ako. And then, pinasort ako at saka kumbaga pinagawa sa akin yung steps ng 5S housekeeping. So, una kong ginawa is pinag-sort ako ng mga papers doon sa para ma-eliminate yung mga waste doon sa mga document. And then, nag-set in order ako, which is pinaayos sa akin yung mga document in order, which is from yung date, based doon sa date noong company, and then based din doon sa mga alphabetical order noong names ng company. And then itatype mo siya doon sa computer para mas madali siyang makita. Para if ever man na kailanganin yung document, meron na siyang copy doon sa computer. Unlike noon kasi na hindi pa sila masyadong gumagamit ng computer. Kaya mga nakastock yung mga documents na ng mga past transaction nila sa ibang company. So, yun lang. And then, yung next is, bahala na po yung susunod na reporter. So, that's all and thank you.